Yo, haven't really recorded a repair video in a while. I just haven't had much coming in to repair, but, season's ramping up again, so I should be getting more in soon, hopefully. But I figured I'd record this one mainly for fun and for content and for future reference for anybody who wants to do the same repair that I am. It's a pretty simple repair. Got a Gemmy Grim Reaper Spirit Ball for $30. This is the Target exclusive one, the large one. One of my favorites of the Spirit Balls, between this, the Brain Monster, and the Gypsy Woman. I think those are my three favorites. Needs the mouth fixed. It's either the string is broken, or the motor's dead, or a wire's off, or something like that. But either way, I'm gonna fix it and document it. Now, ignore the room right now. The display room's kind of a little bit of a mess at the moment. But other than that, yeah, I'm just gonna hop right into this and hope that it goes pretty smooth. As I expected, it is a new string that we need. If you can see kind of in there, that's where the string is located. And as I move the mouth lever, obviously, you can see it kind of tug a little bit. Usually how I remedy this is just a shaft gear, and then I hook a fishing line through it, and that holds it on pretty well so I can tie it to the mouth lever. So I'm gonna find my fishing line and do that. Success! Never mind. Well, it is tomorrow, and I have come back with a renewed sense of self and some new fishing line, because I lost all my good fishing line. So now I've got a new reel, and I should be able to finish this now. And there we go. So that's finished. Yeah, pretty easy repair. Usually what I do is, again, I just string a fishing line through a motor shaft gear, just like a spare 9-tooth or something like that, and then tie that to the motor. It doesn't need to be tight,
because it'll automatically tighten itself once it activates. So yeah, there you go.